Welcome back to Billionaires Know-How, the channel dedicated to dissecting the strategies and mindsets of the world's wealthiest individuals. Today, we're turning our attention to Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and a pivotal figure in the personal computer revolution. We'll uncover how he built his empire, what pivotal investments propelled his ascent, and most importantly, extract actionable insights that you, the average person, can apply to your own endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on our next billionaire deconstruction. The code that built an empire, Gates' early years and the vision of Microsoft. Bill Gates' path to wealth began far from the traditional routes. His prodigious intellect was evident early on, excelling in mathematics and developing a keen interest in computers at a young age. While attending Lakeside School, he and his friend Paul Allen gained access to a computer, quickly mastering programming skills. This early access and inherent aptitude were critical factors in his eventual success. Crucially, Gates didn't just passively learn, he actively sought opportunities to apply his skills. He and Allen landed a project automating payroll for a local company, demonstrating their entrepreneurial spirit and programming prowess. This early experience laid the foundation for their future collaboration. He later attended Harvard University but dropped out to pursue Microsoft, which has been a decision that cemented his legacy. Key investments and strategic decisions. Microsoft's rise to dominance wasn't solely due to technical expertise. Several strategic decisions and investments were crucial. The IBM deal. The pivotal moment in Microsoft's history was securing the contract to develop the operating system for IBM's new personal computer, PSE. IBM, a dominant force in the mainframe market, lacked its own PC operating system. Microsoft licensed its MS-DOS operating system to IBM, retaining the right to license it to other manufacturers. This decision, initially viewed with skepticism, proved to be a masterstroke, as it enabled Microsoft to become the dominant operating system provider for the burgeoning PC market. Focus on software. Gates recognized early on that the real value in the PC revolution lay in the software, not just the hardware. He focused Microsoft's efforts on developing user-friendly and powerful operating systems and applications. This allowed Microsoft to capture a significant portion of the value created by the PC industry. Windows operating system. The launch of Windows, a graphical user interface (GUI)-based operating system, was a game-changer. It made computers more accessible and intuitive for the average user. Windows quickly became the dominant operating system, solidifying Microsoft's position as a technology leader. Microsoft Office Suite. The development of Microsoft Office, a suite of productivity applications including Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, was another strategic success. Office became the standard for business productivity software, generating massive revenue and further entrenching Microsoft in the corporate world. Aggressive acquisition strategy. Microsoft has strategically acquired companies to expand its reach and capabilities. Key acquisitions include LinkedIn, professional networking platform, Skype, video conferencing platform, and GitHub, software development platform. These acquisitions have allowed Microsoft to enter new markets and integrate new technologies. Relentless improvement. Gates fostered a culture of continuous improvement and innovation at Microsoft. The company consistently released new versions of its software, adding features and improving performance. This commitment to innovation kept Microsoft ahead of the competition and maintained its market leadership. Replicating the blueprint. Lessons for the average person. While achieving Gates-level success might seem daunting, the underlying principles can be adapted to your own goals. Develop a valuable skill. Gates' expertise in programming was the foundation of his success. Identify a skill that is in demand and invest in developing mastery. This could be in technology, business, creative arts, or any other field. Identify a problem and solve it. Gates and Allen recognized the need for an operating system for personal computers. Look for problems that people face and develop solutions that are efficient, user-friendly, and scalable. Focus on innovation. Don't be content with the status quo. Constantly seek ways to improve existing products and services or create entirely new ones. Embrace experimentation and learn from your failures. Build strategic partnerships. The deal with IBM was a pivotal moment for Microsoft. Seek out partnerships that can help you reach new markets, access new resources, and accelerate your growth. Protect your intellectual property. Gates understood the importance of protecting Microsoft's intellectual property. Ensure that you have the necessary legal protections in place to safeguard your innovations and prevent others from copying your ideas. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented and dedicated individuals who share your vision. Delegate tasks effectively and empower your team to take ownership. Be adaptable. The technology landscape is constantly evolving. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and technologies to stay ahead of the curve. Bill Gates' journey is a powerful illustration of how technical expertise, strategic thinking, and relentless drive can lead to extraordinary success. While achieving his level of wealth may be a long shot, the principles he employed are applicable to anyone seeking to build a successful business or career. By developing valuable skills, solving problems, focusing on innovation, and building strong partnerships, you can significantly increase your chances of achieving your goals. That's all for today's episode of Billionaires Know How. If you found these insights helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future episodes, where we dissect the success stories of other influential figures and show you how you can implement them to become the best version of yourself. Keep learning, keep growing, and until next time, stay inspired.